world can't keep pace. Hives on trees, pollen rains, all my sneezes go insane.